Alright, in this video, we're going to install Native Instruments Guitar Rig 6 Pro on our Mac M1, M2 and Intel. I got my Mac M2 right here. So, before we can start, I got my download from extraplugins.com. This is a really amazing website for all the VST plugins out there. They have the premium downloads and they offer the lifetime activation and access to download, feature free updates, full version, instant download with 24/7 live chat support, and you can read their reviews as well right here. So in case you are having some issue with the installation or something, you can message them on live chat and they're gonna reply you right away. So after you got your download from there, you're gonna get these two files. The first thing is the software center. Just run the software center and type your Mac password and hit enter. Once it says the process is completed, you can move to the next step, is the installer, and just install it. Alright, once the installation is done, restart your computer. Alright, after restarting your computer, actually you can start using the plugin. So I'm gonna test it in my DAW. I'm using Ableton. Go to the Native Instruments and you can find the plugin right here. We got it right there. Double click and open. Perfect. There we go, it's working, it's full version. Okay, we got this one as well. Alright, perfect. So we got our plugin, it's full version and lifetime activity. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna catch you in my next video. Peace.